I'm tired of wearing all these smiles, tired of saying that I'm fine. I've been hiding in the shadows, running from your light. I've prayed the prayers 1,000 times, but still I fall, still I fail. I carry shame I never say, and wounds I never tell. But you see what's underneath every tear I couldn't speak, and you don't turn your face away when I break down at your feet. So here I am, God, with nothing to prove. I'm letting go, I'm coming back to you. I'm still here, God, though I'm barely holding on. I need your grace more than I ever thought. I'm still here, God. I've tried to fix myself again, tried to earn what you give free, but all my strength just disappears when I fall down on my knees. I've chased the world for something more, but it left my heart so weak. Only you can heal this soul, only you can make me clean. You don't ask me to pretend, you just ask me to come as I am. So I lay my pride down low and place my life back in your hands. So here I am, God, with nothing to prove. I'm letting go, I'm running back to you. I'm still here, God, even when my faith feels small. I need your mercy more than I need it all. I'm still here, God. Restore my heart, revive my soul. I'm tired of walking this road alone. Every chain, but every line. Breathe your life into what's dying inside. I don't want religion, I don't want control. I just want you, Lord, to make me whole, make me whole. So here I am, God, no mess, no shame. I'm laying down everything I came with. I'm still here, God, because you never let me go. Your love found me when I was lost and alone. I'm still here, God, and that's enough. I'm still here, God, because of your love. I'm still here because you are good, and you're not done with me. Amen. Amen. Yeah, I've been smiling for the world, but you know the truth in my chest. Every prayer I whispered at midnight sounded more like a cry than a test. I've been walking through shadows, asking if you still see me here. But even when my faith feels paper thin, your love don't let me sink. So I still call you good when the light feels gone. I still call you faithful when my hope feels worn. If you're still holding tomorrow, then I'll trust you today. Yeah, I still call you good in every way. I've seen you heal what I healed. I've seen you stay when I ran. You don't flinch at my questions. You don't turn from this mess that I am. When my heart starts accusing, you speak mercy again. You don't love me for who I'll be. You love me where I am. So I still call you good when the light feels gone. I still sing hallelujah with a shaky song. If you're still writing my story, then I'll trust every page. Yeah, I still call you good in every way. Even here you're working, even now you're close. Even when I don't feel you, I still know you got. You don't leave when I'm empty. You don't quit on my soul. If you carry me this far, you won't let me go. I don't need all the answers, I just need you, Lord. So I still call you good with my whole heart bruised. I still lift my hands up, 'cause there's nobody like you. If my praise is a weapon, then I'll praise through the pain. Yeah, I still call you good. I still call you good. I still call you good in every way.